Today's modern push-on gaskets are comprised of different types of rubber compounds, and the development of the push-on gasket has proven to be instrumental to the success of leak-free water and sewer joints. On today's episode of Iron Strong, we will show you the different types of specialty gaskets and discuss their uses. Hi, I am Kevin Christian, sales representative for McWane Ductile, covering Michigan, Northwestern Ohio, and Northern Indiana. Did you know that not all push-on gaskets are intended for all applications? In order to maximize the effectiveness in any application, it is important to use the proper gasket material for your specialty application. Here we have 5 different types of gaskets. They are all meant for different purposes. Things like soil conditions, other types of pipelines near your installation location, and fluid temperature are primary factors when determining which specialty gasket is right for your job. Specialty gaskets are made of various types of elastomers to resist whatever a job may require. Make sure to use push-on gaskets provided by the pipe manufacturer. Additionally, be sure gaskets are NSF 61 approved. The NSF 61 standard is in reference to the Safe Water Drinking Act for potable water. Now let's take a look closer at the various specialty gaskets available. We will cover their differences, their uses, and how to identify each of them. First, we have SBR gaskets, which are the most commonly used push joint gasket in the ductile pipe industry. Every piece of ductile iron is shipped standard with an SBR gasket. SBR is the closest to natural rubber of all the specialty gaskets. Common uses for the SBR gasket are drinking water, seawater, sanitary sewer, reclaimed water, raw water, and storm water. The maximum service temperature for SBR push joint gaskets is 150 degrees Fahrenheit for water and sewer applications. Next, we have the EPDM gasket, which are commonly used with ductile iron pipe when in the presence of harsher fluids, such as alcohols, acids, and vegetable oils. And these gaskets can also be used with the other type of common applications we talked about with the SBR gasket. EPDM push joint gaskets have one of the highest service temperatures of the 5 major specialty gaskets at 212 degrees Fahrenheit for water and sewer applications. Here we have nitrile gaskets, which are commonly used with ductile iron pipe when there are presence of hydrocarbons, fats, oils, fluids, and refined petroleum. Nitrile push joint gaskets can be used for a maximum service temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit for water and sewer applications. We also have neoprene gaskets. These gaskets are commonly used with ductile iron pipe when dealing with greasy waste. This includes drinking water, seawater, sanitary sewer, reclaimed water, raw water, and storm water. And lastly, we have the Viton gaskets. These are considered the Mac Daddy of specialty gaskets. Viton gaskets can be used for aromatic hydrocarbons, fuel acids, vegetable oils, petroleum products, chlorinated hydrocarbons, most chemicals and solvents, and as with all the other gaskets, these will also work with your typical water and sewage needs. Additionally, Viton push-on gaskets have the highest maximum service temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making the Viton gasket the best overall and all-around specialty gasket for ductile iron pipe. But being the best comes with a cost. This is the most expensive specialty gasket on the market. Sometimes it can be difficult to differentiate specialty gaskets at first glance, so you will want to be sure to look closely. Push-on joint gaskets all have the size, type, and country of origin molded into the side of the gasket in small letters. From this, you should be able to find what type and size of gasket you are installing. Previously, specialty gaskets were identifiable by colored dots. But now, each type of gasket has its name laser printed on the side. All these types of gaskets are available in MJ and flanged as well. All 3 ductile iron pipe manufacturers have the capability of fulfilling your specialty gasket needs. You can watch another Iron Strong blog where Josh Baker shows you how to take care of gaskets. And as always, Work hard, work smart, and work safe.